moving for you.
Why makeup now today at Dex New York?
Well, Dex New York is one of the best, and with Energy Up, we make sure that our girls have access to the best of everything because they are the best and they deserve the best. Energy Up is all about empowerment from the inside out. We're loud, we're proud, we're fit, fabulous, and fierce. So here we are today. You got a sparkle on the inside, a sparkle on the out, and our girls got it going on.
There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one. I'm trying to find a shorty to hold me down. They say to get to New York, girl, then you gotta have a lot of class. And I heard ain't nothing like a Cali girl, but you better have a lot of cash. And I know ain't nothing like them A-Town girls, cause they know how to show you love. And no matter where I go, I gotta let them know that this song here is about you. Let's go! See, I done been around the world to places you would not believe. Seeing all those pretty girls and wishing you were there with me. The simple way you smile, girl, tells me all I need to know. You can be my one and only. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one. There's a lot of pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of pretty girls in this town. I'm trying to pick the right one, trying to pick the right one, trying to find a shorty to hold me down. Tell me, is it you, girl? Is it you, girl? Is it you, girl? Is it you, girl?
Alright, this is the inimitable High Voltage, the founder of Energy Up, and the lady who's gotten all these girls on track as far as their eating and a whole different way of living their life. Voltage.
Next year, it'll be my 10th year in the schools. I donated my time for 1 month in a program. It completely changed my life, turned my life upside down. And I found my calling. And this year we're really partnering with the city, going after getting the sugar out of our schools. Sugar is our #1 drug in this country. And Mayor Bloomberg and our health commissioner, they really get it. And our girls are going to go out there and support them. We're creating the Energy Up G-Force, G of course standing for girl. Energy Up!
Pretty girls in this city. There's a lot of